Hey guys, it's Crafty Chica here with a fun trunk or treat graveyard scene that you can create in the trunk of your car or truck. So to start, we're going to use an assortment of a couple different Amazon Smile boxes. Cut those up into different rectangle shapes and then sketch out the design of the edges, and from there you're going to take your scissors and just cut out those shapes. You want to have a fun variety. After that, you can use different types of objects to glue on to add some texture, dimension, character. Spray paint them all black, add a little bit of silver too, and then have fun doodling on them to create your customized tombstones. Then you're going to want to make these secure so they stand. So cut up some cardboard, glue it to the back so they stand upright, and let them all dry. Make sure to pick up a thick plastic liner that you can use to protect your trunk from any kind of mess you're going to make. It makes for easy cleanup. Add your first row of headstones, and then you can fill in with mulch or shredded paper, maybe some straw, even felt, whatever it is that you want to use to add that creepy graveyard type of look. And then fill in with some eerie skeleton plastic creatures and bones. Add in some scary music, some spooky strobe lights, anything that you can do just to make it all come to life and put goosebumps on anyone who happens to look in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out craftychica.com. Give this 2 thumbs up if you like it, and like, share, and subscribe.